Hello everyone and welcome. This is Sound Tower. I did a little auditing here as you can see to make it here. But over there it's too crowded, people keep on spawning in the feed. So yeah, anyways, my brother recommended this game to me and I thought it was a great idea. And also actually how to play it like that. So yeah. Anyways, yeah, I love the sound. But I don't like this, so it's like it. So anyways, I'm sure this so much of her day at least once. They really trending on all I think it was really like the party. But yeah, it's just pretty nice. I like it. But it doesn't really match bubble wrap fully, you know what I mean? Like it's good but it could be better. Oh no. Oh, anyways, yeah, so how's it? Thank you. I'm gonna do that again. Yeah, alright, I will back. And now welcome to live. It's close, but it does not sound like real Colorado. It's really, really. I just professional bubble wrap cover. I know you know it's not. But you know what? It's good. It's good. Alright, I'll stop talking. Enjoy it. For the good. Like, enjoy. Also, okay, yeah, we're coming to keyboard. Everyone turn your volume up. Turn your volume up. I'm not gonna scream. Don't worry. You did it. Just kidding. Just kidding. Turn your volume up. I love keyboard. No, it's not you. That's. Oh, come on. My volume all the way up? Yeah, it is. It's way up. So quiet. Oh! We gotta go over the keyboard locker. Do we lock my foot in? Do we lock my foot? We gotta lock my foot before we do it. I need to come and lock my foot, please. Okay. Sound like Google Pepper Baby? If you don't like cats, then sure, yeah, I let everyone has opinion, but I don't like you that much. Of course, still, everyone has opinion, blah blah blah, but it's not like that. Like, this is cute. I love kitty. I love kitty. And also, yeah, this is what my avatar actually looks like. It's like, I don't think those games like supported this avatar, so like, yeah, this is what it looks like. I look so good, bro. Look at me. Look at me. Bro, look at me. I look amazing right now. So, yeah. You know, this girl's being annoying. What's her name? Oh, God. This is actually insane. Oh, my God. This world is coming to an end. Let. You know, guys, I don't know if we should do this. You know, it's worth it to ensure that random innocent girls would probably land here. like Sooooo. I like Sooooo. The other thing was a quiet place. It was so quiet. You felt that it was happy, super quiet. It was traveling. Wrong. Wrong. SpongeBob SquarePants. Wall. That's wrong. That's wrong. Too much bubble popping. Let's be fair. Too much. Too much bubble. Why would I pay Robux to respawn a little bit faster? I don't have much time left. Even though I actually have to make it in under 15 minutes. Otherwise I have to do something else. It's like, oh my god. It's painful. You gotta go fast. Am I very quiet? Instead of thinking about it. Tell me down below. Is it nice to be quiet? Do you think it's nice for me to be quiet or not? So come to Sooooo. If you out there, I think we should do thanks for knowing the little spot when you die. Too much bubbles. Seriously. Yeah, we just made that for fun. Sometimes we'll see any like other videos. Oh, my brother hates it. I need to make something. Okay, now I'm just shut up this whole thing. I just love this thing. Good makeup. I love this. Do I love it? I need to hurry up. I don't have time. I only have like 7 minutes left. I know I'm not time. Oh, I want to get. You know, I don't want to sit down. You know, I really should. Some people really love Five Five. But I'm not always. You know, I've been doing like a couple entries. So, like, on my age group, like, what my age group is, you know? Like, no one ever noticed those things. In my first video, I said I'm not saying it anymore, but like I said if it turns out I was mute, and now you'll never know which age group I'm in. So yeah, thanks my dumbness. But I mean, it's kind of obvious. Like, you hear how I sound and stuff, you know? I sound so. I don't know if it's big or small. They're more annoying, you know? Oh my god, I only got 5 more minutes. Gotta go fast. Oh, I'm making it coming up. I mean, I'm singing it. Oh my god, bro, I wish I didn't die. Gotta go fast. Gotta go fast. This is why I shouldn't go fast, kid. Otherwise, you're gonna die. And if you die, then you're gonna cry. Oh, well, guys. If you go fast, then you'll die. If then when you die, then you'll cry. Oh, oh my god, I just died. I'm the professional one, right? And I did. I'm amazing. Oh my god. This girl is out to get me because I got hurt, and now she wants to get me. Oh yeah. I don't like it that much. Well, so much better. About 4 minutes, guys. If I can't make it in 4 minutes, then I gotta delete the whole. If I can't make it in 4 minutes, I'll have to make a part 2. But because then I will have to. Because then if I were to go and like it go over 15, then it won't register. So I'm gonna have to delete the video. It's like yeah, all that work for nothing. You know, I actually played a lot of Needle Tower, like 2 whole worlds of Needle Tower. But since it was over 20 minutes, it's over 15 minutes, they didn't allow it. So like yeah, I had to delete that video. It took ages for me to make. Oh wow. Not that nice. Too loud. I like power up. What to keep everything stopped. I still have to work hard. Seriously. Girl wants to kill me. I guess the door. I should play Needle Tower again. Not a good idea. Yeah, not a good idea. Too fast. Too fast. Too fast. I do it on like. Oh my god, it's like nervous. Oh no, I like this. I like this. Maybe you like it? The girl's gonna try and kill me again. She's salty. Feel better. Oh, baby one. A YouTuber I really like to watch. Called It's Funny. Like she played this game, and I really liked it. But I forgot about it, so my brother told me about it again. And it's like, yeah, it's a pretty good game. And in this very second, one of the people who went and like North is becoming really weird. Check it out. Go check it out. It's the reason I can actually make a video. One day I blow up, it's gonna burn. Oh guys, sorry, I'm accident. Bye.